Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing an evening snack recipe, Biscuit Ambado. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of whole urad dal, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coconut pieces, few curry leaves finely chopped, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chili finely chopped, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, salt as per taste, and finally 1 teaspoon of crushed whole black pepper. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that transfer the urad dal. Now wash and soak this for minimum 3 to 4 hours before further use. Once you have soaked the urad dal well, rinse this well minimum for 2 to 3 times before further use. Later transfer this into a mixer jar and add very less water or no water at all and grind into a fine fluffy batter. Transfer the batter into a mixing bowl and now into this add the baking soda, asafoetida powder, salt, whole black pepper powder, finely chopped ginger, curry leaf finely chopped coconut pieces, and finally few green chili finely chopped, and mix the batter well using your hands. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add oil enough for deep frying. Once the oil is of the right temperature, lower the flame to medium and take small portion of the prepared batter in your hand and push it into the oil with the help of your thumb. Deep fry your ambados in medium flame until they turn crisp and golden brown, and also make sure to keep stirring this occasionally for it to cook uniformly from all the sides. Once your ambados turn crisp and golden brown, deep fry the rest of the batter as well in the similar way. Now our delicious biscuit ambados are ready. We can see how crisp it is from the outside and also soft and well cooked on the inside. This can be had as an evening snack or a breakfast recipe as such, or it can also be served along with some coconut chutney. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.